My train pulled in to a loop. I found myself wishing you were here with me in London. Standing on the river Thames, taking photographs of Parliament and old Big Ben was ringing. You know it's everything that I imagined it would be. I had no idea that it would feel this empty. Where were you tonight? While I stand here and cry, watching double-decker buses pass me by. And to tell you the truth, it's all that I can do to keep on jumping on a plane that's heading home to you.